Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on this eye look right here. So let's just get right into it. First of all, I'm taking Nylon eyeshadow from MAC with my Sigma pencil brush, and I'm just going to highlight my brow bone with that. Next, I'm going into my Huda's Desert Disc palette and taking the shade called Eden. I'm just going to run that into my crease with my Morphe M200 brush. I start with very little product and then I just keep on building it up until I'm happy with the intensity. Next, I'm going into Guilty eyeshadow, just a very hot pink color from Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival palette, and I'm just going to put that on the outer corner of my eyes and then taking that into my crease as well. For this step, I'm using my Sigma E25 brush. The trick here is to just use back and forth windshield wiper motions until that pink color really dissolves into that orange Eden color that we used earlier. Now I'm going to take a precise brush and I'm just going to intensify that pink a little bit more in my crease. Now we're going to intensify it a little bit more with a black eyeshadow. And I'm using a combination of blending brushes just to blend and merge all those colors together in my crease. I don't use any tape for the outer corner, I just make sure that I blend in the shape of an eyeliner. That way my outer corner stays nice and in a V shape. Next, I'm just going to cut my crease with my eye base. So I put a good amount of product and then I just look down, and when I look up again, that's like a nice outline for me right there, and then I can just go ahead and fill that in. Now that's one big advantage of having hooded eyes. I think the only advantage, let's say. But if this trick does not work for you, check my last video where I show another good trick of cutting the crease accurately. So now I just like to stretch my eyes and really define that crease neatly. It's actually very hard to do that with just one eye open, but just go slowly, take your time, because if you mess that crease up once, it's going to be hard to make that up. So it's better to just take your time and do a neat job at first. Next, I'm just going to go in with my olive shade. I'm just spraying some rose water on my brush and I'm just going to pick that color up and just apply that wherever I cut the crease. It's a beautiful olive shade, very metallic. And wetting my brush at first made it even more metallic and it just sticks a lot better. Now for those hard to reach edges, I'm doing the same technique. I just like to stretch my eye downward. This way I can see the edges clearly and just fill that up with the color. For the inner corner, I'm using MAC's Nylon eyeshadow again, and I'm just going to blend that a little bit with the olive color. Now we're just going to go back into that pink shade that we used earlier, and I'm just fixing that outer corner a little bit, just blending that with the olive green and a little bit in the crease. So now for the eyeliner, I'm using Huda Beauty's Lifeliner, and I'm just going to make a little wing starting from the outer corner, just pulling that wing inwards and filling my line up. This eyeliner has replaced my Inglot 77, and if you want to see a detailed review of this eyeliner, I'm going to link that below for you guys to check out. In that review, I break all the points of why you should get this eyeliner or forget about this eyeliner, so definitely do watch it before making the decision of buying this eyeliner. And now I'm just using the pencil side to just fill in my waterline with that. After that, I'm going to blend that with a little bit of black eyeshadow and that pink eyeshadow. The footage came out very blurry, so I had to edit that out. Now to make my inner corner pop a little bit more, I'm going in with my LA Splash Sealer base and that Nylon eyeshadow again, and just making that inner corner a little bit more opaque. Now I'm just going to put on some eyelashes to top off the eye look. Sorry, the footage is going a little bit out of focus, but here's the final result. After I am done, I can just take off the baking powder from underneath my eyes, and I'm just going to clean the edges up a little bit with a face powder. For the bottom lashes, I'm using Bad Girl Bang Mascara from Benefit, which is an amazing mascara, and that completes the eye look. I hope you guys liked this eye look and enjoyed this tutorial as much as I had fun filming it. Let me know what other tutorials you would like to see from me, and I'll be happy to film those for you. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!